Hi everyone. Today we have a best model WPB9 wall-mounted chimney hood. And what I'm going to show you today is how to replace a light bulb in the unit, and also how to replace, if you had to get at the socket in the back of this and how to replace it. So what you need to do first is always, anytime you're servicing or doing maintenance on your range hood, turn the power off. It's always a good practice to be safe. First thing you would do to change a light bulb in this best WPB9 hood is you would take a small screwdriver, and if you take a look, there's 3 little notches in the light lens. This chrome ring, this inner chrome ring, actually pops out. You gotta be careful. There's a piece of glass that'll come with it, and a lot of times that piece of glass is not inside that metal ring. And I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. See how the two separated? This basically just sits inside this bezeled area here, just like so. What you would do, being that the bulb would be burnt out, you can actually just use your pointing finger and your thumb, and you can grasp this bulb and pull straight down. The bulb looks just like so. When you go and replace a bulb, you're going to want to make sure that you have gloves on or use a piece of paper toweling. You don't want to get oil from your fingers on the bulb because they can shorten the life of the bulb. You're just going to line the bulb in with the prongs and push straight up. The lens, basically you would line it back up like so and just push it on. Like so. There we go. Just got to make sure that the 3 little prongs are in the notches. And that's all it is to change a bulb. So if something went wrong with the inner socket, what you can do, this whole panel is removable. You would remove the baffle filters out of this unit. And the last one, to remove this panel, there's going to be a screw in each corner. So one here on the right, one on the left. There's going to be 4 more screws right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start taking some of these screws out here so I can show you the inside of that unit. So that's 1. And that's 2. That's 4. And then 1 on each end, so 1 on the left. And 1 on the right. This unit will come out and it'll drop right down, just like so. The lights, actually, they're quick connects, so you can just squeeze them and they'll pull apart. And the light housing itself, it's got clips, and you just squeeze them and then the socket pops right out from the bottom. I'm going to pop it back in here. You can also, if you ever need to get at the switch assembly is right here. You have 2 Phillips screws. Take the screws out. This whole switch assembly would drop down. So I hope this video helps. Thanks.